Does it matter which week I test the 4 foods on the Virgin Diet? This is JJ Virgin, 4-time New York Times bestselling author, celebrity nutrition expert, and fitness Hall of Famer. I've been on a lifelong quest for answers to the toughest health questions. And now I'm sharing what I found with you. Welcome to Ask the Health Expert. Carrie Holly Weaver from Facebook asks, does it matter which week I test the 4 foods on the Virgin Diet? Do I need to do gluten, soy, eggs, and dairy, or can I change the order? I am deep in the middle of Virgin Diet 2.0 Revise, and I'll be right back with that answer.
For the moments that matter, choose Curad Naturals. Infused with aloe vera and vitamin E, Curad Naturals bandages protect your unexpected scrapes, cuts, and burns while also moisturizing your skin. Find deeper relief with natural ingredients you can trust to start the healing. When life's surprises call for the best, choose Curad, a deeper level of care. Shop the full collection on Amazon or visit Curad.com to learn more.
Okay, so reintroducing foods on the Virgin Diet. Briefly, I'm just going to tell you what the Virgin Diet is. Expect to see a new, revised, improved version of this. Learned a lot over the last 8 years. But basically, the Virgin Diet, drop 7 foods, lose 7 pounds, just 7 days, is a modified elimination diet where I picked, after looking at loads of lab testing and loads of diet recalls, the foods that I saw that were most commonly causing issues for people. I had them pull them out for 3 weeks and then re-challenge them. Now, when I wrote the book, I literally wrote it with you pulling out gluten, dairy, corn, eggs, soy, peanuts, and sugar and artificial sweeteners for 21 days. And at the end of 21 days, I had you go back and for 1 week each, I had you do the 4 different foods. I didn't bother with corn and peanuts and sugar and artificial sweeteners because I just was like, just keep corn and peanuts out. And sugar and artificial sweeteners, we should be eating low anyway. Since I wrote that book, oh my gosh, I got bombarded with sugar questions. So I wrote the Sugar Impact Diet. And now my progression is do the Virgin Diet, then do the Sugar Impact Diet. And I got this question a lot about the order. Here's what I will tell you as I'm moving into Virgin Diet 2.0. The first week is really a detox week. That first week when you do this, I said drop 7 foods, lose 7 pounds, just 7 days, because the average person would lose up to 7 pounds in that first 7 days, really because their body's just like detoxing from the responses, how your body's responding to foods that are not working for you. At the end of that week now I'm going to have you do 21 days. And beyond that question of when to re-challenge, I also had people say, can I just stay this way forever? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go through the Virgin Diet and do it for at least a month. Sometime after that month, you are going to go back and re-challenge each of the 6 foods, not just the 4. And here's how you do it. You can start with any single one of them. Here's a couple key important things. Number 1, you really want to have that food cleared out completely, 100%. Do not let a little bit sneak in for at least 3 weeks. 4 weeks is better because you've got to let your body really detox from it, get rid of the immune complexes from it. And what happens is you basically can unmask food sensitivity when you do this because your body got rid of the protective systems that it had to keep you having little low responses. But not, you were kind of feeling low grade bad all the time instead of now feeling a lot better, but now you eat the food and you notice a bigger reaction. So what you're going to do after you've gone through and pulled all these foods out is pick which one you want to start with first, ensuring that you've been off that food for at least 4 weeks. That's what's important here. And then you track it and you take that food and you start challenging it back every day. And at the point that you notice symptoms, fatigue, gas and bloating, joint pain, headaches, constipation, diarrhea, weight gain, skin breakouts, any of these brain fogs, any of this stuff, over the course of 4 days, you stop. You give yourself at least 3 days to wash all of that out before you start with the next food. You only do one food at a time so that you don't muck things up. And you go through and you really pay attention, because what we're trying to do is connect the dots between what you eat and how you feel to see which foods work for you and which foods don't. There you go. So the short answer to that question is the order doesn't matter, but what really matters is making sure that that food has been pulled out for at least 3 weeks, and 4 weeks is better. And starting with the new Virgin diet, we will be testing all of those foods. We will not just be testing the 4. We're going to be testing corn and peanuts too. This is JJ with Ask the Health Expert. I do this 5 times a week, so make sure you never miss a show by going to subscribetojj.com.